Good day, brethren. I hope you're doing excellently well. Welcome to another session of KCA Ed Tech. You're welcome to another lesson of how to use Google Classroom. In today's lesson or session, we're going to navigate the features that we have, some of the features that we have on the teacher's dashboard, how to make use of them. If you're ready, let's get started. So as you can see, this is your dashboard. So initially we've discussed how to get here by creating your class. At the top of this class, you can see four main things. If I go back to my classroom, I'll see all the classes. Now, if I click on one of the class like this, I will come to this page. It will bring me to this page, and I can see about four different options. For teachers, they will see four good options. For students, they will not see these four options. They will only see three options: stream, classwork, people, and grades. So for teachers, you have including grades, where you will find all the grades of your students. Now that we have created this class, what is next is for us to generate a link. So you click on this generate link. When you click on it, a link will be generated. As you can see, you can use this link, share this link with your students so that they can join your class automatically or be part of your class. So this is the link, or you can come here. I will save this. You can come here and use the class code. Give the students the class code. They can use the class code to enroll into your own classrooms. But that's not what we're going to do today. We're going to look at this second feature, which is class work. This is where teachers will do most of their work, will assign work and, and assignments and quizzes and study materials to all their students. So you click on this classwork, and then you see create. When you click on this plus sign create, you will see assignment, quiz, question, materials, and reuse. So I would like you to organize your work properly as a teacher. You should organize your work properly as a teacher. And to do that, just go to topic. Go to topic. So I click on topic. I will write unit 1. Okay, unit 1. So in science, for example, unit 1, you can have physics, chemistry, biology, and scientific inquiry. So I can say, write unit 1, biology. So unit 1, biology, I'm gonna add this. Automatically, when I add this, it's gonna be added to the topics, So if I want to create anything within this topic, I can still go and continue to create assignment, and then I will assign the assignment to this unit 1. I will add another class, another topic, which is going to be unit 1, physics. Okay, you add unit 1 physics. So now you have unit 1 biology, unit 1 physics. Okay, you can edit this by clicking this three buttons or 3 dots, and then rename this topic to whatever topic you want to rename it to. You can delete it, you can copy the link, you can move it down. For example, I want to move this physics down to biology down. So I can make the unit like this. Physics is now down and biology is now up. I can do any of these things that I want to do. The next thing you should do is to create your own assignment. To create the assignment, you can just go and say create assignment. So when you click on create assignment, it will take you to a different page. This is the page. You can put the title of assignment. Okay, you can say unit 1, assignment. Okay, unit 1 assignment instruction. Define living things. So you can see that. Define living things. All right. So you can upload any attachment. You can add whatever you want to add. And then you can come here and add the student that you want to assign this work to. Okay. So you can just say all students. You want to assign this to all students, or you can say, okay, no student now in this class. You need to invite all the students into this class by putting in their emails, or sending them the link, or sending them the code to join your class. So if there are students here, you will find all the students here. Then you can put the points for this assignment here. It can be 10 points as you like. Okay. So you can put the due date here. If there is any due date for this assignment, you can put it here. When you want them to submit this assignment, you can put this here. You can put the time. All right. You want the assignment to be tomorrow, you can put the time. You can say 11 or 11 a.m., for example. 11 a.m. So you have all your assignments ready and ready to go. So you can say close submission after due date. If you want that when it's 11 a.m. tomorrow, no one submits, it should close. The assignment should close. Student will not be able to submit their assignment. So you can close due date, and then you can go here and assign. If there are rubrics, you can put the rubrics here on how you want them to answer these questions and how you wanted them to be graded. So you can create your own rubric here. We're going to make a special lesson on how to create rubrics for especially essay or project assignment. Now, when you're done, you come to assign. You click on assign, and your work will be sent automatically. Okay. In case of examination, you can just come here and schedule. You can schedule when you want them to start this assignment. If you schedule it, they will not see this assignment until that time. Until it's that time. Or if it's not time yet, they cannot view the assignment. That's the essence of this schedule. You can schedule it when you want them to start this assignment, when you want them to see the information, let's say 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. This is in case of we are trying to make a kind of CBT exams for the students, or tests for the student, especially our midterm tests. Then you can make use of this particular function. So you can schedule it for 8. So this assignment will be available for student at 8. So you can see here it says schedule for tomorrow 8. So it will open at 8 o'clock tomorrow. So this is how to create an assignment. So this is where we're going to stop. Next, I'm going to walk you through how to create quiz assignment, inshallah. Thank you so much for joining me, and see you in the next session. Bye-bye.